Today in this video we are gonna learn best alternatives to say not. Now without further delay, let's begin. The first is no, nah, sorry, not now, certainly not, by no means, I shall not, not likely, no thanks, I think not, unfortunately not, I'm slammed, not possible, not this time, not for me, thanks, it's not my thing, not today, thanks, I wish I could, but I'm taking some time. Maybe another time. I'm not interested. If only I could. If only it worked. I need to go out. I'm afraid I can't. I have something else. I don't think I want to. Thanks, but no thanks. Now this is all about best alternatives to say not. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.